Festival producer of MIF 2026 and the person behind Sanhimik Performing Arts Festival, Erwin Redor.
Hello. All right. Thank you very much, Ansis. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for joining us this afternoon here at our Media Day for the Manila Improv Festival 2026. I just wanted to start siguro with the story of how I got myself into improv. I was a fan of Spit. 2012 pa yata yun. So, iba pa yung mga members of Spit doon. And yes, I have been following them since 2012 until I enrolled, learned improv in 2017, and then we're here now, producing an improv festival. This is the 7th edition of the Manila Improv Festival, and it has always been a celebration of the community. From the hosts, from the production team, everyone is all from the love of the art of improv. So, I think, actually may script ako. So, tinatanong ko sa mga tao kanina, babasahin ko ba ito? I-improve nga eh. So, ayun. Yes. So, since the last Manila Improv Festival in 2023, I think it has really, the improv scene here in the Philippines has really changed. We all know of Spit. They're here at the back. Thank you very much for being here, Spit. And all the other improv groups doing improv online, live shows, Motive with Thanks, Housemates. We have several improv groups. Later on, our artistic director will be running down the performers. And I think what makes it important for people nowadays is the authenticity of creating something right in front of their eyes. Especially now, AI is, wala, parang lahat AI na. And the emergence of improv is really that magic of creating something in front of you and making it work. So yes, and also I really believe that improv is a very human art. It gives, you give yourself to the audience, basically. So again, thank you very much for being here. We hope to see you also during the festival from March 25 to 29 here at the Proscenium Theater. I would like to thank Proscenium Theater for hosting our Media Day and our festival. Also special thanks to the School of Fashion and the Arts. They're across, which is also going to be a venue for the shows of the festival. Yes, so thank you very much.
Thank you.